In this video, I'll show you how to connect a TradingView alert to your strategy on AlgoBuilderX using the Webhook Alert block. This allows you to automate any indicator, even custom ones, and trigger real actions like buy or sell orders in real time without writing a single line of code. Using the Webhook Alert block is incredibly simple. Start by dragging the Webhook Alert block into your strategy. You'll find it under the Block Controllers category. Once you place it, open the block to configure it. Here you can give your alert a name, but the key element is the alert link. This is a unique URL generated for each block, and it's what allows TradingView to communicate with AlgoBuilderX. Now, an important note. Webhook alerts are only available on paid TradingView plans, starting from the Essentials plan. Thanks to our partnership with TradingView, if you create a new account using the referral button inside this block, you'll receive $15 off your first subscription. All we need to do now is enter a name if you want, then copy this link by simply clicking the icon, and head over to TradingView. Once you've copied the alert link, create a new alert, and set up the condition you want. It could be a simple breakout, and you can choose from a variety of conditions right here. It can be a price interaction with a custom indicator, or even a signal generated by an advanced strategy. In short, anything that can trigger an alert on TradingView can now be automated. In the Trigger section, we choose how often the alert should be sent when the condition is met. If you want the alert to fire only once, select Only Once. But keep in mind, this will remove the alert after it triggers and it won't be used again. If instead, you want the alert to repeat every time the condition is met, choose once per bar or once per minute, depending on your preference. After setting the condition, go to the Notifications tab, enable Webhook URL, paste the link you copied from AlgoBuilderX, and click Create. The mechanism is very simple. When your TradingView alert is triggered, it sends a notification to the unique Webhook URL. This activates that exact block inside your AlgoBuilderX strategy, setting its value to true. As a result, any blocks connected to it, like a buy action block, will now be executed automatically. You have full flexibility. You can add risk management, filters, or any other conditions, just like in any regular AlgoBuilderX strategy. For all active premium and professional users, Webhook access is completely free. But if your subscription expires and you still want your CBot to respond to Webhook alerts, you'll need a separate low-cost license. That's because the Webhook system continues to communicate with our servers and consumes resources in real time. You can manage your Webhook license directly from your dashboard under the Add-on Purchases section. And that's it. Now you can fully automate your TradingView alerts with AlgoBuilderX. No coding, real execution, total control. See you in the next tutorial.